Hello everyone. So today again we will discuss chapter 4 agriculture part 2. In this part we will discuss about the types of farming, different types of farming and their characteristics, types of crops, etc. Agriculture or farming which are done basically are of two types, subsistence farming and commercial. But subsistence farming are for the primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming we will see in detail, and commercial farmings are also grain farming and plantation farming, mixed farming. All these we will see in detail. Primitive subsistence farming is of two types. One is slash and burn cultivation, or it is also called shifting cultivation, and nomadic herdings. So in the first we will see slash and burn. See the main feature of it. Land is obtained by clearing the forest. Agriculture is practiced till fertility of land is exhausted. When the fertility of land get finished or exhausted, the people shift to another area. In this type of farming mainly women work on field. It is practiced by primitive tribes living in the forest, the areas having dense forest. Now see regions in India: Northeast India, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, parts of Madhya Pradesh, or the main crop which is grown, yam, root crops, etc. Different names of slash and burn cultivation in different parts of the world. In India, it is called jhuming. In northeastern states, Manipur, Pamla, Chhattisgarh, Deepa, Andaman Nicobar also called Deepa, Madhya Pradesh, Bewar or Dahiya, Andhra Pradesh, Podu or Penda, Orissa, Koman or Bringa, Western Ghats it is called Kumari, Rajasthan, Vellore or Velcher, Himalayan belt it is called Khil, and Jharkhand it is called Kurua. While in Mexico and Central America it is called Milpa. Venezuela it is called Conuco. Brazil it is called Roca. Central Africa it is called Masalo. Indonesia it is called Ladang. Vietnam it is called Ray. So these are the different names of slash and burn cultivation or shifting cultivation. Then intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming practiced in areas having high population, means dense population is found. It is labor intensive farming. Biochemical fertilizers and pesticides are used to get more product. Irrigation is done to water supply during dry season to grow more crops. So high production is obtained in intensive subsistence farming. It is practiced in dense populated area, remember. While commercial farming which is done to earn money, in which high yielding varieties of seeds are used, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides to get high production are used. In India it is practiced in Punjab and Haryana side, while in world USA, Russia, Australia, Argentina, all these countries practice this type of commercial farming. Commercial farming uses higher dose of modern input like HYB seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticide, pesticide as we saw. Commercialization of agriculture get changed from one region to another. It depends on the other geographical factors. Plantation is a type of commercial farming in which a single crop is grown over a large area. All the produce is used as a raw material in industries which are also located within the farm in plantation farming. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are cultivated through plantation farming. Tea in Assam, North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are the other examples of plantation farming in India. As the production is mainly for market purpose, so a well-developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation areas, processing industries and market plays very important role in development of the plantation farming. See the difference between subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming, farming done for own consumption, for own survival. In commercial farming, products are sold in market for earning money. Entire production used by farmers and his family, as it is done for own consumption. Land holdings are small and fragmented. And people do cultivation in a small plot of land. Farmers use inputs like irrigation, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, etc. to obtain high yield. Cultivation method generally are old and very simple. Some modern techniques are applied in intensive subsistence farming. Crops which are grown generally are cereals, means food crops. We will see the different types of crops also in further slides. In some areas, cereals are grown for selling purpose, like rice. Rice is cereal crop, but it is cultivated in Haryana, Punjab for selling purpose. See the picture showing subsistence farming. See the types of crops. Food grains. Food grains, crops which are used for human consumption. Example, rice, wheat, maize, millet, pulses and oilseeds are food grains. Commercial crops, crops which are grown for raw material, means either in raw form or semi-processed form. Cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco and oilseeds. These are the example of commercial crop. Plantation crop which are grown on plantation covering a large estates, means industrial setup are also found within. After processing, the products come out from that area. Tea, coffee, coconut and rubber are very good example of this plantation crops. Horticulture means agriculture in which fruits and vegetables are grown. Fruits, vegetables are the main product of it. That's all in this video. Thank you.